Hello, my friends. This is a very nice house in San Miguel de Allende, one of the most beautiful places of the world. So this residence is just for you. It's only $300,000 and is listed just in my real estate agency, Raúl Inmobiliaria, here in Mexico. Look at, it's in very natural spaces here with natural trees. It's very beautiful. Look at this mansion. Well, for me, it's a mansion. I don't know for you guys, but it's very nice. It's a 10,000 liters water deposit. You're never gonna suffering for water. Look at this space. This is another entrance, so if you want to put cars in here, you can do it. Or even if you want to build a pool, a swimming pool or something, it's very easy to do it because all the machinery can come in here and make it for you. Also, the pool can be here. If you close this door, your pets are gonna be happy. Dogs or whatever you have. Even a horse. It's a very nice space. It's a 450 square meters land and 240 square meters construction. The main entrance is just awesome. Look at these spaces. All the lamps are included, so it's a very nice space. This is the living room. I also have an entrance for this side, so it's a very nice space too. And all the illumination is natural, so that's why it's very nice. Look at this. The kitchen is one of the most beautiful kitchens I've ever seen. You can adapt it if you want it, but I just let it like this. The good thing of this house is a master bedroom, or not a master bedroom, but a one bedroom in the first floor with dressing room and closet with his own shower. And another half bathroom in this side. This is the washing machine area, laundry space. And in the second floor, look at just the floors are very nice too. All the decoration. This is one of the secondary rooms with their own bathroom. Typical of San Miguel de Allende. Look at, very nice. Another bathroom. This can be a TV room or a business room, your office, whatever you want. Look at this view. And this is the master bedroom. Very nice. Look at these spaces. And I also have a balcony to take a look to your cars. You have a Porsche or Lamborghini that you want to appreciate all the time, you can take a look all the time. Here, dressing room and the entire bathroom. And the house is not done yet. I also have a roof garden, very nice roof garden. And this is the roof garden of your dreams. Just take a look to this roof garden, magical spaces. All this roof garden, the constructor told me they built them the house by their own. So they put all the love and all the materials, the high quality is necessary for this house. So this house, it's very nice. Look at this space. This is very beautiful. So if you like this house, just call us or send a WhatsApp to the 442-704-2431 and contact me for more details, and I can send you more pictures or make an appointment. Thank you very much for watching. Better call Raul.